This repair video for the P1400 error code is specifically tailored for BMW drivers. If your BMW is showing up P1400 code, this is for you. This code indicates a problem with the EGR system or related sensors and components, and may cause symptoms like rough idling, stalling, or poor fuel economy. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty DPFE sensor, EGR system blockage, damaged wiring or connector, vacuum hose problems, faulty EGR valve. So here are the two practical solutions to fix the P1400 error code at home. The EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine, just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with the WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the clean DGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back in the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips, and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.